Let's learn how to make a button. First step, go to Objects, go to New Item, make a new prop, 8 by 8 by 2. We'll need 2 of those. So the first one is going to be the pressed button. It's going to be red. The second one is going to be a pressed on button. It's going to be blue. Now I'm going to change type of those props to animations for both. We're going to create a pickup, adjust some parameters, width, length, and height to 882. We're going to lock it on X, Y, and Z so it doesn't move. And we're going to turn off collectible top, sides, and bottom so it cannot be collected. Next, we're going to put animations inside of a pickup object. Now, we need to set them up so they swap and they also activate at different conditions. So the red one is going to be true for trigger. It's going to have group, it's going to be part of group B, which priority 0. The second one also going to be part of group B for button priority 1. And then the trigger for that button will be actor, player, distance, and then less or equal to 0. All right, so the last thing we want to do is we want to change under activation controls the length to 0. So what that will mean, it will mean that when this condition is true, the button will turn blue, and then regardless whether the condition stays true or not, it will stay blue. So it will always stay press on once you step on it. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Place it in our room. Step over it, and it works perfect. Okay, that's how you make a button.